Okay. Yeah. Just to revise one more time. What is a bootstrap? Yes, a bootstrap is nowadays it is a simple HTML CSS library for developing responsive web applications. What is the meaning of responsive? Any application or web page, it fit to all different width devices. It fit to different width devices we called responsive. If you want to design responsive website, we have to spend much time on CSS. Instead of that, we are using Bootstrap library. If you follow Bootstrap library principles and CSS styles, our page is going to responsive. So they're providing components. Simply they're providing components. Already some styles already is there. We are using button component, card, carousel, form, table, model. Like we are going to use n number of components. N number of components. If you click at here, this image will help you. So just if you see this side, right hand side, all the style names are starts with dot means class selector. Nothing but component. Nothing but component. Yesterday I shared you this image to you if you remember this one. If you want to design one navbar component, navbar. So now I'm going to give you one small assignment. Can you design one navbar? Design one navbar without Bootstrap. Now you'll get the idea about CSS. See, look at my UI, 100%. This is a one. This is one. Look at here, home page. This is a navbar actually. Whatever I'm showing here, this is a navbar. This is a navbar. I'm giving small task to you right away. So I'm using this navbar using Bootstrap component. Now what you have to do, design one navbar. Design one navbar using plain CSS. Using plain CSS. Now you have to write own CSS style names. But still right now I'm using navbar component class names. Navbar dark, bg dark, navbar expand, like navbar nav link, like 1, 2, 3 I gave here. Just to practice one time. Navbar component. Navbar component. Then today again we are going to discuss one grid system. What is a grid? Grid means rows and columns. Maybe yesterday's continuation I'm planning. So grid means rows and columns. Let me understand what is a grid. What is a grid? So let me understand. Grid means rows and columns. So I'm taking the one container. Bootstrap is based on grid system. Based on grid system. Grid system. Grid means rows and columns. So I'm taking one container. Some space. Container means some space. I'm taking one container. Fine, beautiful. I'm taking one row. First row. This is a row. This is a row. Fine, beautiful. I'm taking one more row. 2 rows. In my container, I'm going to take the rows. So this is now container. And I'm taking one row. I'm going to divide each row into 12 columns. 12 columns. Here I'm using 2 columns. So what is the size of column? What is size of column? Column 6, column 6. Whatever I'm writing these names already defined at bootstrap.css file, like a dot container, some group of styles, dot row, group of styles, dot column 1, group of styles, dot column 2, group of styles, like n number of columns are there. N number of columns are there. So you can easily write the code. Now again, just I'm writing one more time. Like go to the, maybe I'm taking one example here. One more example. Grid. One more example, grid. What is a grid? What is a grid? Open your home page. Open your home page. Now, I'm going to show you how to design the grid. Design the grid. And beautiful. So very simple. So take one opportunity. Here I'm writing my internal styles. How to write internal styles? Using style tag dot box. Box just for testing purpose I'm taking. Dot box border equals to 2 pixel solid and blue color. Fine. Now here I'm using one container dot row. Each row divide into 12 columns. I'm going to show you dot column 1. Not, you have to use dot column hyphen 1. So element 1, and I'm using box. See, let me understand. Just to follow this one. What is going to happen? What is going to happen? Live server. Yeah. See, now understand the code first. Understand the code. Yes. You have any doubt, please ask me. I can help you. See, whatever container styles are there here. Row style is there here. Column 1 styles already is there here. And box, this is my internal styles. So each row divided into 12 columns. Right now, how many columns are there? Only one column is there. So can I accommodate another 11 columns with size 1? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Control 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now see the UI. So I divide my row into 12 columns. If you have any doubt is there, give one HR line just for better understandability. So can I accommodate one more column? Naveen? Can I accommodate one more column? Naveen or Shravani, right? Shravani, are there? Shravant.
Shravan, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, Bhaskar. Can I accommodate one more column, Bhaskar?
It's come down, sir.
Okay,
In
exactly correct.
next row.
Yeah, exactly. Shravani, right, ma?
Yes.
Yes.
So can I write one more column here? What is going to happen? This is coming down only. It is coming down. Look at the UI. So that means each row divided into 12 columns. I hope you got an idea about the row. So can I use one more row? Just I'm giving one HR for differentiation purpose. I'm going to take one more row, dot row. See, if you have any doubt is there, open the Bootstrap file, search the style name. Control F, dot container. Already is there. Group of styles already is there. Dot row. Styles already is there. Dot column hyphen 1. See here. Hyphen 1, hyphen 2. Like lot of styles already is there. I hope you got an idea about the already defined styles. See, we are already styles are there. We are using that's all. Now this time I'm taking only 3 columns. Column 4. I'm using box. Box means my internal style name. Element 1. So can I how many columns can I accommodate? 2 and 3. Element 1, element 2, element 3. Can I accommodate one more column? Yes, you can accommodate, but it's coming down automatically. That means, but can I adjust like this? 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, total 12. Now like this. I hope you got idea about the what is a row, what is a column. Each row divided into 12 columns. Take a one more row, one more row. Just I'm giving one HR. Dot row. This time I'm using dot column 2. Box. Box means just for border. And element 1. Look at here, element 1. Only 2 I'm giving. Next second column, the second column I'm giving 4. 2 plus 4, total 6. Third column I'm giving again 3. Again 3. Element 3. So how much space is left here right now? Another 3. I'm going to give here 2. I'm going to give here 2 like this. So another one more column, I'm going to give 5, element 5, only 1. Only 1. Only 1 only. I hope you got about the 1 or 2, buddy. See here, maybe you can say here 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, exactly correct. Exactly correct only. But here, why it is coming bigger way means, so use E1, E1 like this. Perfect right now. Perfect right now. That is why. So we have to use one more style also. I'll let you for that one by one. So now you got idea about the what is a grid. What is a grid? So very simple, ma. You can understand container. I'm going to take one more container. One more dot container. Enter tab. Enter tab. Enter tab like this. You can easily understand what is what. What is what? See, we can have any doubt is there. We can easily understand using one more web page. You can take it one website, CRMIT, crmit.com. So if you observe, suppose here how many columns are there, ma? If you see here broadly, this is the one container. This is one. This is the one container. This is the one row. I'm going to mention. So how many columns? Column 4. Column 4. Column 4. Exactly correct. So if you want to design this one, you can do also, not a issue. Just for roughly I'm doing. I'm not spending much time about exactly, but I'm taking 3 columns. Taking one row, dot column 4. And what do you want here? This heart symbol. So image, copy, inspect element. Go to inspect element. This is art symbol, right? Yeah, I'm using here service cloud logo. This is the art symbol I'm taking. Image source. Image source. Okay, fine. Or you can directly take it, not a issue. How to copy this one? Copy element. Okay, fine. Inside my column, I'm giving this element. What is this one? Now we can understand. You can see the code also. Is coming or not? Maybe it's coming bigger way. We'll discuss that one. And go to here one p tag. Use the lorem. Lorem is dummy content. Dummy content is coming like this. Okay, but I'm getting one column. So how many columns can I accommodate right now? So we can accommodate another 3 columns. First column, second column, and third column. You can change the images. You can change the images. You can change the images. Maybe you can have to take it very small images. You can write here. I think we can use width. So we can use here only. We can width equals to maybe 300 pixel. 300 pixel. Refresh is coming or not? Or you can say 100 pixel. It's fine. You have to make it center actually. You have to make it center. Copy and paste it. Image level, I'm using this one. Copy and paste like this. See, this what is the UI here and what we are getting like this. So I mentioned here 3 columns. See, my intention is not copy paste. My intention is what is a grid? Grid means rows and columns. Each row divided into 12 columns. Each row divided into 12 columns. This page is grid.html. Grid.html like this. Home page, about us page, services, employees, product, contact, and login. So we'll see the remaining components right now. We'll discuss about the remaining components. We'll see the remaining components. We'll see the remaining components. I hope you got idea about this one. Just beautiful. Okay. Now go to services. Go to services. I'm going to ask you a few questions right now. Few questions. Yeah. Hi, Bhaskar, right? If you want to display data in the form of list, what are the list styles, list tag name, list names, buddy? List related tag names? Bhaskar, right? Or Dinesh? Hi, Dinesh. What are the list related style tag names? Like unordered list and order list. Exactly correct, right? I'm going to
Yes, sir.
use, yeah, fine. I'm going to use one service page only. Service page. Say I'm going to display my services in the form of unordered list and list. Web development and mobile app development and cloud app development and AI services or Mernstack app development. Now you see the UI here. See the in the UI in the like this. See, this is a normal list tags. Normal list tag. So what Bootstrap is tells us? So Bootstrap is giving 2 styles to us. Bootstrap is providing 2 styles. What is the 2 styles, buddy? That is this one. So Bootstrap styles, list component style names, list group and list group item. List group. This is class equals to list group, group, and list group item. Class equals to list group, one more style name item. Now see the UI is coming like this. Actually, I need to keep my list inside my container. Let me do this one. I'm going to copy paste. Only 2 class names. List group item. List group item. List group and list group item. Fine. Look at the UI here. It is coming like this. I don't want to keep it like this as it is. I'm going to keep my list, unordered list inside my container. Inside a container, take a row, take a column, size 4. Inside my column, I'm going to keep my list. Are you getting my point? See here. So this is my container. Okay, what I'm doing is, so inside my container, this is my container. This is my row. I'm taking one column. I'm keeping my list inside my container. Inside my container. That's beautiful. Same here, I'm doing same thing. Cut and paste. Now see the UI here. Now see the UI. Beautiful, buddy. So see here. So we have the 2 class names. List group and list group item. That means list component style names. List component style names. What is the list component style names? List component style names. This is my list component. So list group, class name is list group. Under list group item, I'm keeping my list inside my column. inside my row, inside my container, inside my container. So if you mention the size here, I'm going to change my size 4 to 6, automatically is going to adjust it. Column 6, column 6, column 6, column 8, yes, not a issue. Column 3, just like this. I hope we have to use component, list component style names. List component style names. List navbar is a component. List is a component. And form is a component. Button is a component. Button is a component. Home, about, services, and employees. So this is my table. Yesterday we discussed about the table component style names. If you open that employees.html file, employees.html file, you'll get the idea first. So this is my nav element. This is my container, row and column. Inside of my column, I have one table is there. So even right now, we can add more data. Let me understand. I'm going to take the few data. More data. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay, fine. And what I'm doing is here, table. Suppose if you remove the table here, we'll get like this. Now I'm using table. Table has few more style names. Table striped. Table striped. See here, alternative rows are going to highlighted. Alternative rows are going to highlighted. And one more is the table hover. Table hover effect. What is the meaning of hover effect? This is a hover effect. So already styles are there. We are using. So I want to display products in the form of card. Go to flipkart.com or anything. Anything. So let me open the Flipkart website. I'll show you one product actually. So let me go to some mobiles I'm taking. Yeah, I can take it here, one mobile. And below here, right? Here, I'm talking about here. Yeah, look at buddy this one. If you understand this one very well, this is a one card actually. See here, whatever I'm going to show you, this is a card. This is a card. This is a card actually. It's a card. Card has two parts. Card header, card body. This is a one card. This is a one card. One bootstrap card. So I'm going to use right now card component. Card component. Card component. Fine. You can take it anything, not a issue. Go to the product page. Go to the product page. Product page. Go to product page. Navbar. And I'll tell you what is a card actually. I'm going to keep how many products you want to display. How many products you want to display. So somewhere you can say here, somewhere. Okay, fine. Take one card first. Below. Yes, fine. See here. Here, 1, 2, 3, 6. You see, this is one kind of a slider right now. Right now, I'm not taking any slider. I'm going to display 4 products. I'm going to display 4 products. I'll tell you why. So I'm taking one container, taking one row. So I'm going to mention 4 columns. What is the each column size, buddy? If you want to display 4 columns, what is the each column size? Column 3. Inside a column, I'm taking one card, dot card. Card has 2 parts. Card component has 2 parts. Card header and card body. Card header and card body. Card header, I'm going to use one image. Copy image address. Image address, I'm giving the name. Now see the UI first. See the UI. It's coming like this. Okay, fine. You can use small image. I'm giving here width equals to 100 pixel. Fine. Or 200 pixel. It's fine. This is the one card. And card body. Card body. So I'm going to show you. Card has This is a card. Where is my card? Inside my column. I'm giving here some names. Okay, UL and LI. What is the list component names? Class equals to list group and class equals to list group item. List group item. Already styles are there, I'm using. So what is the name here? Vivo T3 Pro. Vivo T3 Pro. T3 Pro. T3 Pro. One more I'm using. Price 15,000. 15,000. Now see the UI. 15,000. So like this, I'm going to mention another 3 columns. First column is done. This is the first column. So I'm going to use 1, 2, and 3, and 4. We can accommodate here like this. So my intention is not display image. My intention is card. My intention is card only. Card. This is the card. This is the card. This is the card. Card has 2 parts. Card header, card body. Card header. This is the card. Dot card. Card header. Card body. Card body. That's a card has 2 parts. Card header, card body. Okay. So that is the one. Now coming to here. Here I want to display some. I want to display some Indian rupees. Rupee symbol. Rupee symbol. Rupee symbol. How to display rupee symbol, buddy? Indian rupee symbol. Anyone? Yeah. Not dollar is the direct value. We have in the keyboard, we have dollar symbol is there. In the keyboard, we have dollar symbol is there. Go to your price. Go to your price. I'm going to use the dollar. I'm going to use dollar. Here I'm going to use a dollar. Look at here. So I don't want dollar. I want to mention, I want to show the rupee symbol. How, buddy? So just to Google it, ma. So rupee symbol in HTML. Rupee symbol in HTML. You can use this one. You can use HTML entity for the Indian rupee symbol is. So what is this one? This is the one you have to copy paste. So go to here, instead of dollar, I'm using like this. I'm using like this. Whenever you want, you can use. So first card, second card, here like this. 2 and third one. 2 and third one. Rupee symbol. So like this. This is HTML notation. So what you are getting? Rupee symbol. Rupee symbol. Rupee symbol. And here I am not mentioned. About services. What is this one? Card. Card. Services means card. Products. I am using card component. Services means list component. So this is a card component. Component. Card component. 2 styles are there. Dot card. And card has 2 parts. Dot card header. Header. And one more is there. Like this. One more is there. Dot card body. Like this. Just I'm giving like this. Let me refresh. Where I'm using H3 product component. Yeah. Card component styles. Card header, and card body. Card body. I'm keeping my cards. Where I'm keeping, buddy? In my row. In my row. So look at here. Inside a container, one row is there. In my row, I divide into 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each column there is a one card is there. Card has 2 parts. Card header, card body. Card header, card body. This one. Just have a glance once. I can understand easily. So try to understand. In my container, one row is there. One row. In my row, I'm going to mention 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each column I'm going to use one card. Card has card header, card body. Card header like this. Inside a container. Inside a container. Inside container. Fine, beautiful. Let me open the website here. And let's start with the remaining component. Remaining components. Remaining components. Table done, card done, list done, navbar done, button done, except form. Except form. You know how to create a grid. Let's jump into contact page. Contact page. You can see the contact page here only. Home, about, services, employees, product, and contact, and login, and login. And go to contact page. Go to contact page. I'm going to show you one page right now. Tell me how to design this one. greetlabs.com and contact. So now tell me how to design this one. So while seeing itself, this is a page. How many columns are there, ma? Anyone, buddy? How many columns are there here? How many columns are there?
I think 2, sir.
2 columns. So what is this one is? Very simple. So this is a container. This is a row. In my row, only 2 columns. What is size here? Column 6 and column 6. Correct? So I'm going to show design same thing to you in my contact page. In my contact page, take one container, dot container tab. Okay. Dot row tab, dot column 6. And what is this one? How to write the comments? This is a contact form. Contact form. Second column, dot column 6. Total 12. Here I'm going to mention Google Map. Google Map. Google Map. So now Google Map. Okay, fine. This one. So let me go to collect the Google Map here. View large page, large map, and go to menu. Go to menu and share or embed map. And the second option, not link, embed map and copy HTML. Copy. I'm going to show one more time. Very simple. How to add Google Map. And go to my page. View large map. View large map. Menu. Share embed map. Embed map. Copy HTML. Copy HTML. Instead of this one, I'm going to use. That's all. Simply open the page into live server. Open the page into live server. It's coming automatically. So this side, we need to design one form. We need to design one form. I hope you got idea about the column. Now we'll design the form now. Okay, go to login page. Even login page is not there. I want to create a login page. I want to create a login page. So index.html, copy and paste. This page name is login.html. Login.html. Fine, beautiful. Login page. Okay. So I want to design one form, login form. So at the time of login, okay, I'm giving one here, HR, fine, HR. So I am going to create one form, login form. I want to collect, label name is email ID, email ID, email ID. And input type equal to text. And the label name is password. Label name is password. And I want to collect input type equals to password. Okay, then input type equals to submit button. Value equals to login. It's coming like this. Here I want to break. How to apply the break, ma? How to apply the break? using br tag, correct? Instead of br, what we can use? Instead of br, what we can use? Anyone, buddy? Anyone? Instead of br, what we can use? Shravanth or Dinesh. We can use, instead of br, we can use div element. Yes, right. Div is a block level element. Div element. First label and input box I'm keeping inside my div. Inside my div. Correct? Okay. One more div I'm taking. I'm keeping my label and div. Label and input box inside my div. Inside my div. See here UI. See the UI. So very sober design. I want to use Bootstrap component, Bootstrap form component style names. What is the Bootstrap form component style names? Form group and form control. Form group and form control. So div level class equals to form group. Form group here. Input type equal to text level. So class equals to form control. Form control. Form control. Look at the UI. Look at the UI. Like this. Okay, anyway, I need to keep my form inside my container. Inside my container. So let me go to div class equals to form group. And in here input box level, class equals to form control. Class control. How to button styles, buddy? Button styles. Class equals to btn warning. Btn warning. So I'm keeping my form. This is my form. This is my form. I'm going to keep my form inside my container. Container. Inside my container. So let me remove this one. Dot container. Dot row. Column 4. Inside a column, I'm going to keep the form. Keep the form. Cut and paste. And beautiful. Is coming or not? I'm going to keep my column 3. Column 3. Column 3. Now see the UI. See the UI. Email ID and password. Email ID and password. If you are not using form group and form control, very sober design. See, whatever I'm writing, these names already defined by the Bootstrap. So you can search here, what is a form group, what is a form control. Dot form group and form control. Form control. These are the group of styles. Class selector. Class equals to form control I'm using. Class equals to form control. So so this is my row. This is my row. You can look into that. So inside my row, one column is there. Column 3. This is a form. This is a form. I'm taking one more column, 3. One more column, 3. This time I'm going to use the same form, but I'm not using labels. I'm not using labels. Look at here. So without labels, how to represent email ID, how to represent password? Anyone? Anyone? How to represent?
Placeholder, sir.
Yes. So we can use placeholder.
Placeholder.
Placeholder equal to email ID. Email ID. And here, placeholder input tag. Here I'm using placeholder equals to password. Placeholder equals to password. So first column, second column, column 3, column 3. What the total, buddy? Column like this. So I'm taking first column without styles. So total how many columns are there right now? 3 columns. Column 3 like this. Column 3 like this. So first column I'm not using form group. for understand purpose. I'm not using any form control. I'm not using any form rated styles. Form rated styles. First column. First column form. First column form. It is coming like this. Very bad. Very bad. Very bad. Okay. First column. This is without form component styles. This is with form component styles. This also form component styles. First column, second column. So we can accommodate one more column. Yes. This time I'm taking card. Card has two parts. Card header and card body. Card body. Header level I'm using H3 tag, H4 login details. Login details. Inside a form card body, I'm going to give the form. I'm going to give the form. Okay, I'm going to give the form. Copy and paste. Just for already is there now. Inside, I'm keeping my form inside my card body. Now you can see here how beautiful it is. Even you can write some styles here. Call login details. Where is the login details are there? Card body, card header. Card header. I'm writing here BG dark. BG dark. Now BG dark. Text white. BG dark. Text white. It's beautiful, buddy. So now if you try to understand this page effectively, see here, I'm taking one container. Taking one container. If you understand this one, very easy. If you understand this one, this is a container actually. It's one container. So how many columns is there here? 3 columns. Container, okay, and row and column 3. This also column 3. This also column 3. This also column 3. This is without form component styles. Form component styles. I'm not using any form component styles here. And here I'm using form component styles. What is the form component styles? Form group and form control. Form control. I'm keeping my form inside my card. This is a card actually. This is a card. This is a card. This is a card header. This is a card body. Inside a card body, I'm keeping the form. I'm keeping the form. Just try to understand what is the requirement. What we are doing. What we are doing. Okay, but I hope you got about the component. Home, about, services, employees, products, contact, and login. And login. See, as of now, we done few components. Few components. See here, few components. This one, whatever, except to carousel. Carousel is a slider. Carousel is a slider. Button component style names. Mostly it are class selectors. Form component style names. Navbar, list, card, table, grid. Carousel will discuss next session. We'll discuss next. I'm giving the ones 2 assignments right now. What is the assignments is? What is the assignment is? Can you please design one navbar? So design navbar using so plain CSS. Plain CSS. That means without bootstrap. Means without bootstrap. Without bootstrap. That is a requirement. Second one you can say, so go to contact page, create the form like this. Create the form like this. Create the form like this. So just already we have like this. So just design like this. Design like this. There is somewhere, buddy. Cancel. Design like this. Already, how it is there? Okay. Already is there here like this. Here. Go to here. So here already one side Google Map is there. And you have to design the form like this. Like this. I hope you're getting right. So you have to create one contact form. Name, email, phone number, subject, and a drop down, and a text area, and a button. And a button here. That is the first. That is second requirement. First one is design navbar using plain CSS. Using plain CSS. Getting buddy? So this is a small task you need to spend time. Login page, contact page, products, employees, services, about. And here tomorrow we'll add one slider. We'll add one slider. Then we'll discuss about the responsive web design. As of now, whatever we are doing, this is not a responsive site. This is not a responsive site. Just we are learning Bootstrap component. So I'm using 4.6 version. And see here, lot of components they are providing. Alert box and badges, breadcrumbs, button, card. See here, card. This is a card. Card header. Card has card header and card body. Card has two parts. Card header or whatever you want, you can take it up. Card has one image is there. What is this one they mentioned? This is the image. And one more is there somewhere you can say card text also. Card text here. This is a card text. If you want here somewhere, suppose, right, go to the form point of view. Go to form point of view. Here, right, you can use login details. So login, last column. Card body. We can use here card text. Card text. So how to use card text? P tag. And just simply sign up details. SIGN sign up details. And here I'm using card text. Card text. How it is coming? It's coming like this. Maybe it's not working. Card text. Why card text is not card body? Card text. Card text. You can say here card text. Why it is not working? Card title. Not card text. It is a card title. Card title. Maybe it's no meaning, but you can use card title. Not card text. Card title. Maybe bold will come. Maybe even this not working. No? Okay, maybe forget about this one. Card header. Card has two parts. Card header, card body. This is not working. Okay, card title. You can try. Just for reference purpose I'm giving. Or you can say a lot of styles. Card, card body. And what is this one? Inside my card, I'm using list component. I'm using list component. So here you can use list group and somewhere list group flush. They are using list group flush. What is the meaning here? List group flush. One more style is there. List group flush. List group is there. List group item. And we are not using this one. List group flush. So where is the list is there in our example? Services. Right? List group flush. Go to services. Use that style also one time. Go to services. Go to services. I'm using here web development. List list group level, right? List group level. List group items. Okay. I'm using here list group and list group flush. And what is going to happen? I want to see. List group flush. Space flush. Now see the UI. And any difference is there? I think I don't know. Maybe I not sure. List group. Card is there. Maybe you can use. So better inside a card also. I'm taking one card. I'm keeping my list, an order list inside my card. Now we can see here how it is coming. There is no difference here. Okay, just try one time, basically. And style equals to width 18 rem. Maybe we can try this one also. What is going to happen? Where it is? In the card level. In the card level, style equals to width 18 rem. 18 rem. Maybe it's not, there's no difference here, but we can try. I hope you got idea about the components today. Clear to bit all of you? Still it is not responsive. How to get the responsive, we'll discuss tomorrow. Tomorrow we have session is there, same time, 5 p.m. It's fine to you, buddy? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Now, so ideally, right, we are going to design one website using Bootstrap with all the components. Okay, then what you have to do is, same website you have to design with CSS. That you need to learn. That is a task. Today also I gave one assignment. Design one navbar using plain CSS. That means you have to write the CSS code. Without Bootstrap, you have to design. So feel the difficulty, you will get it now. So once you understand about Bootstrap grid system, we need to understand one concept is there, flex versus grid. That we'll discuss. Okay. Thank you, ma. I'll upload the code immediately. I'll upload the video here, you can access. Yeah, one more thing, ma. Let me go to push the code into GitHub. I'll share you the link to you. Where is the code is there? Whatever we are learning today, and yesterday's one also, I'm going to show you. Full stack online. Full stack online. So here something number is coming 6 or 5. Maybe right? What is the number here? 4, 6. Okay, fine. Because we updated the 6 pages. So Friday, Bootstrap or Bootstrap basics. Commit my changes. And how to push the code? Go to open your terminal, git push. Git push. So code is there in the respective repository. So this is a new repository. Full stack February online 2025. I'm going to open here. Yeah. This is the repository you can find here. This is the backup HTML, CSS, CSS all HTML and Bootstrap 6 PM and a static website. Static website. Yes, I'm going to share you this link to you for your reference. Can you please focus on this is the one. Using this component, I'm designing one static website. Static website. Do from scratch, you'll get the idea first. It's clear to everybody, everyone? Yeah, tomorrow we have session, we'll discuss. Yeah. Shivangini, Bhaskar,
Yeah.
Dinesh.
Is there Java class also after this?
Maybe, right? I'll update you, ma. Today is not there today. Monday I'll take it up, okay? Monday onwards, I'll take the front end 1 hour and back end 1 hour. Okay.
So can you share me the previous recording of Java if you have like for
Just
previous batch?
be on hold, be on hold. Okay, the record. This is an hour.
Yes, sir.
So styles.css. This is your own styles, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. So copy. I'm going to design one more page here. One more folder. Task by Dinesh. Okay, what is the file name? Styles.css.
Yes.
Fine, copy. Good. And I'm going to create one file, index.html. Go ahead back, and I'm taking only index.html. So copy raw file. Fine. What is the style name here? Styles.css. What is the file name? Styles.css. Let me open into live server. Yeah. So fine, beautiful. 100%. It's fine, ma. Home, it's fine. And that is fine to me. I'm very happy. So you're writing some styles. So now, without what you are using right now, where it is styles.css, and you are using like this logo, anchor tag, item, and item hover. So what is the item here? Item. So go to the index.html. You're using class equals to item, div level for item A, and for logo, for now, what is there? Go to styles. Logo background color. For logo only mention enter background color.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Logo background color, enter this is the color. For anchor tag, display inline, item, display inline. Fine, inline item. Fine, I don't have any issue, but you can try one more way also. Okay,
Yeah,
similar
right.
to navbar, similar to navbar. Okay, now you got idea what is a text decoration, what is a cursor, what is the background color, what is the padding, all these things. Okay, so try to improve.
Yes.
See, I'm not a designer, I'm the developer. Okay, that's why I'm not spending much time on CSS. Okay, yeah, thank you, ma.
Thank you, sir.
So let me, you can spend time. CSS also slowly. So backtick, git push, git push. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Thank you. Tomorrow we have a session, ma. Anyway, I'll upload you before half an hour. Thank you.